Hello to all traders and welcome back to the market review brought to you by Orbex. So the week is hotting up with interest rate cuts or potential cuts with the Bank of Canada and the European Central Bank both expected to be the first ones to start cutting rates. They're hovering roughly about 5% at the moment and looking to have a 25 basis point cut Wednesday and Thursday of this week. So will that mean the Fed will start to think how this will play out for them? You know, will they first of all see how the interest rate cut will affect currencies and stocks before they act, or will they just prolong the inevitable into next year anyway? We'll have to wait and see. But at the moment, we're just looking on precious metals such as gold because it's hit a new low, as the title suggested for today's video, after hitting below 2300, now just trading below that, and slowly progressively going down to 2300, which will be a very, very psychological support for a lot of traders. So let's get right into the charts there. Just looking on the 4-hour chart first of all, and as I said, we're just seeing now that from its record peak above 2450, just hovering around there, we've dropped over $100 in just a few short sessions. If you look at when we did hit the peaks, which was on the 20th of May, it's only a couple of weeks ago that we've had $100 sell-off, so quite significant. A lot of traders were thinking this was going to happen, but not a big as correction as we have seen. Possibly something like a slight correction like we saw here, and then another push up to a record high, since geopolitical tensions are still heightened and we are still looking for another direction, which was pretty much fueling the gold surge in the last few weeks. So let's just take a look at what potentials we can see at the moment. So we're just in this kind of slight bearish channel at the moment on the 4-hour chart, and we're just waiting for the next progressive move to the upside or downside. As I said, a lot of economists are looking at the 2300 zone. Excuse me, talking a bit too much because there's a lot to get through. 2300 zone as being the main catalyst for where bulls or bears are going to next. On the RSI, we're seeing a slight bullish divergence which could propel prices, but are we going to break out of this particular channel here? Well, the next zone for a lot of traders is 2355, 2356 before we have another direction towards the upside or downside. But as I said, a lot of traders looking at this 2300 psychological zone for a firm support. If we break out of the upper channel, then will we have another surge, $50-$60 to the upside? Well, it's happened before. Don't be too surprised if it happens again, as I said, because geopolitical tensions and these things that are ongoing in the world, unfortunately, are still progressively pushing safe haven assets such as gold. So this is what we're looking out for. And let's just take a quick look on the dollar index, because we were tracking this bullish channel for the last couple of weeks. But since then, as you can see, it's firmly fallen out of favor, and now we are trading just below the $105 area. So a lot of traders looking to get back into that particular zone and waiting to see if we're going to have another surge to the upside. Well, it has been quietly tempered here because we are seeing this double top formation now and really, really heavily having this firm resistance and pushing prices back down by $1. So if that does keep on going, expect the trend to continue. We'll just see if we can break past this particular area of just above $105 before a possible another move to the downside. So this is what we're looking at in the near term, and let me know what you're trading on as well, what you're thinking about with gold, dollar, and obviously the interest rate decisions this week. Is the Fed going to act, or will it just keep on keeping their lips very, very tight on the next move for the Fed? We'll have to wait and see on their next decision. So until next time, have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.